Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. I'm at a cool little car show, and there's an old house up here on the hill. I used to own some property about 15 minutes up the highway, and I was always told this used to be a Pony Express stop. Don't know if it's true. I'm going to do some research when I get up there. But this Pontiac wagon is, it checks all the boxes for me. So there's the Indian Chief, and this patina is on point. American racing wheels, just a cool looking car. Unfortunately, the owner is, they've got an, I'll shoot it, but they've got some area outside where they've got a live band and playing music. But this wagon is pretty damn cool. I think they may have called these steel woodies because it isn't wood, but it's back when they had woodies, and I believe it was these were called steel woodies. But pretty cool. And I saw this at a car show a couple of weeks ago, and I was marveling at the fuel cap, and it had you can see the flares for the extra wide tires. So looks like a mid to late 40s Chevy Fleetmaster. Hopefully that highway noise isn't too significant. Beautiful color. It looks black, it looks red, burgundy. I just love that BA. Ford had such great font or script back then. Old Model A. So you could do a hand crank, and you'd insert the hand crank if your battery was dead. When I was a kid, I just absolutely loved the Model A. And I just remember when I was probably 15, they were going for $700,000. And I remember talking to my dad, we were going to get one. All he wanted me to do was save my money. And here I fell for it, thought we were going to buy a Model A. I just love the tool. Man, that looks great. And the you can see it also in the center console and in the dash. This is really a heck of a nice car. In amazing condition too. And I've always liked the on a darker color, you can see it better. You might be able to see if I move the camera back and forth. But they have lines across that were reminiscent of a convertible. So this must have been like a 63 maybe. And there's more cars when I get inside here. There's more cars. Go up and check out this Ford and work our way down. There's that house that I was talking about. And again, I'll find out if that's true that this was a Pony Express stop. So we're in Moscow Mills, Missouri, west and a bit north of St. Louis. Good looking Ford Ranger. I'll end up finding out. I'll put it in the link below probably, but really a cool old building. But I bet the maintenance on it is crippling.
I look down at 200 degrees.
$427. Oh, that's pretty cool. So the chain on top would be where you'd tie your horse up. That shows you how old this place is. And I believe this is a 69 with the 3 tail lights. I think 67 had a wing window. I don't remember if 68 did. And this truck is for sale. With a Cadillac engine. Looks pretty big one, so it might be a 6.0. $67,000 for it. Number is 928-460-0431. I'm going to do a separate video on this truck just because it's so darn nice. So we'll work our way into the car show in here. So in the fall, I don't know if they still do, it may be under new ownership, but in the fall they have hay rides out here and pumpkins and all kinds of that stuff. Old Chevy 2 or Nova.
She's never mentioned that Brandon bought a place.
4-door Galaxy with a 352. There's a 352 badging. I don't think those seats are factory. I think that's probably a reupholstery, but it sure matches the blue with the white top. Galaxy 500. Nice looking car. Four doors don't get the love they deserve. And this Buick sure is sweet looking.
I've seen it off the highway when I come visit.
Large and in charge. Lots of chrome on that dash.
Uh-oh.